In the vibrant city of Cortuba, known as Cordoba, one of the caliphs of Al-Andalus envisioned a grand castle for one of his beloved wives. The location he had chosen was picturesque, promising a magnificent view and a royal ambiance. However, there was a small home nearby, a humble dwelling that housed orphans under the careful patronage of the local judge. This home held great significance, offering shelter and care to those in need. Driven by his desire to build, the Caliph sought to acquire the small home. He sent a message to the judge, requesting to purchase the property. "Caliph, please sell me this house so that I may proceed with my plans." But the judge responded firmly. "Judge, we will not sell it except by the permission of the judge." The Caliph respected this sentiment, recognizing the importance of the orphan's home. The Caliph, determined to proceed, sent experts to appraise the house. However, when the appraisal came back, it was far from satisfactory. The estimated price disappointed the judge, and he felt compelled to take action. Fearing that the ruler might take the house by force, the judge made a bold decision. He ordered the destruction of the small home, believing it to be in the best interest of the orphans. The judge then sold the timber for a price exceeding the original appraisal. His intention was clear. He wanted to safeguard the future of the orphans. When the Caliph learned of the judge's actions, he was filled with anger and disbelief. "Caliph, what made you do that?" The judge calmly explained his reasoning. "Judge, I acted based on Allah's wisdom. As stated in the Quran, as for the ship, it belonged to poor people working at sea, so I intended to cause defect in it, as there was after them a king who seized every good ship by force." He continued, justifying his actions. "Judge, I sold the timber for more than the experts estimated, and yet the land remains for the orphans. Now you may pay whatever price you deem fit." The Caliph paused, reflecting on the judge's words. His anger began to dissipate as he recognized the wisdom behind the judge's actions. "Caliph, I am the first to be led to the truth. May Allah reward you well for your actions, for us and for our nation." This encounter between the Caliph and the judge serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of integrity and justice, especially in the face of power. The judge's actions not only protected the orphans, but also upheld the principles of fairness, demonstrating that true leadership is rooted in compassion and wisdom. As we reflect on the profound lessons from the encounter between the Caliph and the judge, we are reminded of the values of integrity, compassion, and justice. The judge's unwavering commitment to protecting the orphans and his wisdom in decision-making serve as an inspiring example for us all. In a world where power often overshadows justice, let us strive to embody the principles of fairness and righteousness in our own lives. May we learn from this story and apply its lessons to our interactions with others, ensuring that we stand up for what is right, especially for the vulnerable in our communities. If you found this story inspiring, we encourage you to like this video and share it with others. Your support helps spread these valuable lessons far and wide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening stories and reflections. Hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated on our latest content. Together, let's cultivate a community dedicated to sharing wisdom and uplifting one another on the journey of faith and goodness. Thank you for joining us today, and may you always find guidance in your path.